Sakali Dalmas, KTN.
And the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, is raising a serious alarm over what it terms a very dangerous phenomenon of super agents following the involvement of senior political figures who allegedly engaged in widespread intimidation, violence, and unlawful interference during the November 27th by-elections. The IEBC officials were speaking during a stakeholder engagement meeting to review the recent by-elections. Our reporter Marion Barasa tells us more.
The CON disclosed that during the November 27th by-elections, IEBC recorded several incidents where senior political figures stormed polling stations, forcing their way into tallying centers and issuing threats to IEBC officers.
Telling Kenyans that we are using the 2017 register, and yet there's a register in the Kenya Gazette duly published. Did you know you can actually come to our...
He further detailed how presiding officers were harassed and some faced physical confrontation from some of the politicians, noting that these individuals arrived with crowds of supporters overrunning polling stations and sought to direct the work of IEBC officials. The troubling trend was tragically illustrated in Homa Bay town, where MP Peter George Kaluma, who was serving as the ODM's party's chief agent in Kasipul by-election, with a group of young men at the Agorosare Primary School polling station. The Member of Parliament was rushed to the hospital with a head injury and his firearm was reportedly stolen. The IEBC chairman warned that failure to curb the current culture of misconduct could directly jeopardize the credibility of the 2027 general election.
We will be happy the day Kenya will be declared a goon-free, militia-free, gang-free country so that we don't have to worry.
During the meeting, IEBC was sharply criticized for failing to act on incidents that cast doubt on election integrity, particularly areas where members of parliament were allowed to virtually overrun the agency's operations in different locations.
His role is to ensure that we have a free and fair election. And in doing so, you are the ones supervising the entire process. You see people violating the Constitution, but you pretend to be blind and wait for somebody to report.
Marion Barasa, KTN.
And Grade 9 assessment results are expected to be released this week, with more than